Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use autofill feature in Microsoft Excel. Let me open a Microsoft Word document. Often we have to enter the days of the week in Microsoft Excel, so it can be done automatically. Let me write Monday, and now I would take my cursor close to the cell. As soon as the plus sign appears, I would double click and drag it down. Here you can see Excel has automatically entered the number of days. Similarly, if you want to enter the data horizontally, then you can also do that. Let me show you. Here you can see both horizontally and vertically the data can be entered automatically. Similarly, you can enter the number of months in the same way. Let me write January. Just take your cursor close to the cell and drag it down. And here you can see the data has been entered automatically. And if you want a short format, it can also be done. Let me show you. JAN, as soon as a plus sign appears, just drag it down, and here we go. You can also go horizontally as well. Drag the plus sign, and here we go. Similarly, you can enter the dates as well. For today's date, I would use a shortcut Control semicolon, and now pick the plus sign and drag it down. And here we go. You can see 15, 16, 17, and this can similarly be applied to horizontal rows as well. You can also use it to enter numbers. Let me show you. In order to do that, let me enter 1 again. Now I'll enter 2. Select both the cells and drag the plus sign. And here we go. You can see Excel has automatically entered the numbers. If you want some other pattern, for example, I want to have only the even number, so I will enter 2. In the next cell, I will enter 4. Select both and drag. Here you can see 2, 4, 6, 18. Similarly, you can train Microsoft Excel to enter date pattern as well. Let me show you. For example, I want to enter today's date and then the date day after tomorrow, 2, 20, 22, 17, 20, 22. Now select both, drag down the plus button, and here we go. You can see 15, 17, 19. So we can train Microsoft Excel to follow a particular pattern for us. Let me show you one more. Here I want to enter 1. In the next cell I would enter 1.25, and let me select both, click on plus button and drag it down, and here you can see 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75. So there is an increment of 0.25 in each row down. How easy it is to use autofill feature in Microsoft Excel. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.